So where are we going?
We are going to Kamoka.
What are we gonna do in Kamoka?
Get naked!
Blah, 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 blah. Alright, so we're gonna do the drop test. We have to see how long it takes for it to drop versus the false. We like this because it's very sheery and it's see-through, and it's going to be very ghost-like and haunting. So yeah, mission accomplished. Super skilled in this department.
Shut up. See, it's fine.
That was good.
Yeah.
Good job.
Practice.
Good job. You just needed some practice. Look at the Ferris wheel. It's
mostly just a wheel.
It's just a wheel. It's missing seats. It's a really weird sight. It looks like a bicycle wheel with just a spoke.
Can you imagine a bicycle that large and then you have like people in the seats on the wheels?
The Ferris wheel kind of looks like a bicycle, but I think they just haven't put the seats on. So I think I just spoke too soon. Pun intended! So we're alive right now through the car. And this is my Jeff Goldblum inspired outfit right here.
Oh, it's so cute! Just become really in tune with the earth.
In tune with the earth. That's what we're gonna do.
Isn't that what witches do? Right?
We're gonna be witchy. Going for witch vibes.
It's my everyday vibe, so. Ah!
Reached the woods and we got our little white sheet here, and the point of the shoot, we're going to try to get a little apparition ghost-like feel with this thing, and obviously we'll have a model in there. It won't be just a sheet. The contrast of the white and the darkness behind it will hopefully make for a creepy picture. So we're playing with the white sheet to make sort of a ghost sort of thing, but try not to be too much KKK. It's a thin line. Now the cool thing about the white sheet is, aside from giving it a cool flow, it actually acted like a weird diffuser, which gave her a nice dark silhouette when it was in front of her, like in this picture. And then the other nice thing is you could do a lot more sort of risque shoots, let's say, but have that covering and it's pretty much closed, so you'll be able to get away with posting that online. Alright, so explain what happened so far today.
I almost died. Almost fell down a cliff. Got some cool witchy shots. My fancy new outfit. Paid $6. Whoop.
Sorry we couldn't show you behind the scenes. There was a lot of nudity.
There's a lot of butts.
A lot of butts. We're just finishing up. We use this thing that we bought at the thrift store. I don't even know what it is.
It's a curtain. Someone doesn't own drapes. What's the difference between a curtain and a drape?
I think it's like one goes on the outside of it.
Oh, really? So like a duvet?
Kind of.
But like for your windows?
This is totally me making the stuff up, by the way. But I feel like the drapes are
the like heavier ones?
Yeah, like you go to a theater show. I feel like those would be the drapes because they're like heavier and they go like on the corners.
They're like drapey.
Yeah, they drape. How can they follow you?
I'm on Instagram as obsidian.suicide or Twitter as obsidian_SG. I don't use Twitter though, really.
So keep up to date to see those pictures. You'll see some of them, not all of them. There was a lot of jumping, so I asked her to jump, and this is what it looks like. It's a except it's a lot worse down there. We should probably go there. Let's go. I'm gonna go walk over there. You can get dressed if you need to.
Put real clothes on.
All right. So while she's putting real clothes on, I'm gonna show you where she was and where she was jumping. Excuse the shakiness over here, though. So I asked her to stay right here. And there was this huge drop-off point. Woo!
Oh boy.
Finished up the shoot playing with this thing, except I wasn't wearing it. My special guest today was
Oh, hey.
this girl.
Badger, 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 badger.
What are you doing?
Somebody is not down with the vintage memes.
Snails.
You know you're getting old when badger mushroom is no longer relevant.
Mushroom, mushroom.